COVID-19 hospitalizations in the U.S. have reached a new record high, surpassing the previous peak we saw last January. New numbers from the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services show there are more than 154,000 people currently hospitalized. That's about twice as many as 2 weeks ago. Here in Texas, more than 11,000 people are hospitalized, a number we haven't seen since last September. Montgomery County officials confirming they have reached an all-time high of active cases today, more than 16,000.
And one day after raising the COVID threat level to red in Harris County, that's the highest level, Harris County leaders vote to bring in more than 100,000 rapid tests for schools and more than 600 nurses to hospitals all across the region. Adam Bennett, live downtown. Adam, the Harris County judge says they need more people because staffing at the hospitals is strained.
That's right, Lynn, both because of COVID infections and, she says, COVID-related burnout. Judge Lina Hidalgo told us those nurses are on standby and they should be in this area by next week. She says they will be going to all hospitals across the region, both public and private. This all comes after Harris County commissioners approved $40 million today for a San Antonio staffing agency to make this happen. That's federal relief dollars, by the way. Harris County also opened a new COVID-19 testing site, a mega site at Planet Ford Stadium in spring this morning. And today in Houston, we talked with Mayor Sylvester Turner, who told us he believes that the city's testing capacity is now at a point where it's able to do a good job at meeting the demand.
We're looking at maybe opening up 2 additional, maybe major testing sites closer into the communities themselves. So we're looking at that. We're looking at some enhanced mobile testing that we can actually go, for example, to the apartment complex. People who are transportation challenged.
One possible site they are considering is the multi-service center on West Gray. That center would focus on testing for people with disabilities. The mayor told me, though, his real focus now is pushing the labs to try to turn around those test results within 48 hours. A number of them have been hit by the high demand and also staffing shortages themselves. He told me that he spoke with one of the providers that runs the Dave & Buster's site and says that they have made some changes, fixed some glitches to meet that goal. And he said one important point is if you went to that site and you're waiting on results, you'll want to check your spam folder in your email because some of those results that got emailed ended up in that folder. Len?
Yeah, it would be annoying if you missed it because it went to spam. Double check it. Adam, thank you.